Top 5 Crypto Trends in September 2025 Introduction. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 crypto trends shaping the market right now in September 2025. From new altcoin stars to groundbreaking regulations and even the rise of crypto scams. These are the updates you need to know. Let's get started. Trend 1. Remittix, a PayFi rising star. One of the hottest projects in the spotlight this month is Remittix, also known as RTX. This altcoin is positioning itself in the PayFi narrative, which focuses on bridging crypto to fiat payments. Remittix has already raised more than $24 million in funding, and its token price recently hit around 10 cents. What is attracting even more attention is their upcoming centralized exchange listings and the launch of their beta wallet. Analysts and influencers are speculating that Remittix could deliver a record return on investment, some even calling for a potential 25x increase. The project is gaining traction because it addresses a real-world problem, making everyday payments with crypto simple and efficient. For investors looking at the next big breakout, RTX is definitely one to keep on the radar. Trend 2. SEC reforms. Crypto meets Wall Street. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has just unveiled major reforms that could reshape how digital assets are traded. For the first time, there's a clear path for crypto securities to be listed and traded on national stock exchanges. This is a huge step forward for institutional adoption. It means that in the near future, crypto projects that pass compliance checks could trade alongside traditional stocks. For the broader market, this could bring massive legitimacy, new capital inflows, and a fresh wave of mainstream attention. At the same time, stricter oversight could limit the free-for-all culture that many early adopters loved about crypto. Either way, the rules of the game are changing and fast. Trend 3. The Genius Act. Stablecoins under new rules. Another big story this month is the so-called Genius Act, a new law in the United States that specifically targets stablecoins. The act requires that every stablecoin be fully backed by reserves, undergo regular audits, and meet strict reporting standards. The goal is to make stablecoins as safe as traditional banking deposits. Major institutions like Morgan are already preparing to issue compliant tokens, signaling that banks are ready to step directly into the stablecoin space. For users, this could mean safer stablecoins and wider adoption in everyday payments. But for smaller projects, the regulatory hurdles may be too high to compete. This law could reshape the stablecoin market, consolidating power into the hands of big players. Trend 4. The rise of crypto scams. With Bitcoin recently touching record highs, scams in the crypto industry are also on the rise. Hackers and bad actors are using more sophisticated tools than ever before, including deepfake phishing videos, fake NFT giveaways, and cloned exchange websites that trick users into sharing their keys. These scams are becoming harder to spot, and even experienced traders are being targeted. It's a strong reminder that security in crypto is more important than ever. Always double-check links. Use hardware wallets when possible. And never share your seed phrase. If something looks too good to be true, it probably is. Trend 5. The U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. Perhaps the most surprising headline this month is the creation of a U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. The government has decided to hold nearly 200,000 Bitcoin, mostly seized from criminal cases, as part of its national reserves. This positions Bitcoin as a form of strategic asset, similar to gold or oil in the past. Holding Bitcoin at a state level signals a new era of legitimacy. It shows that governments are no longer ignoring crypto, but instead actively integrating it into their financial strategies. This move could inspire other countries to follow, potentially leading to a new wave of nation-state adoption of digital assets. Bonus trend. Crypto borrowing and Web3 funding growth. Alongside these major stories, one more trend is exploding crypto borrowing and Web3 funding, according to market trackers. Interest in these sectors has grown nearly 100 times in the past few months. Crypto borrowing allows traders to access liquidity without selling their assets, while Web3 funding continues to fuel innovation in decentralized apps and services. This is an area to watch closely, as it could define the next stage of crypto growth beyond just trading coins. Conclusion: so those are the top 5 crypto trends in September 2025 from Remittix and PayFi. Adoption, to SEC reforms, the Genius Act, the rise of crypto scams, and the US Bitcoin Reserve. The crypto world is moving faster than ever, and staying updated is the key to making smart decisions. Which of these trends do you think will have the biggest impact? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.